Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by juicing 2 lemons for bright acidity. That acid is what makes this a lemonade smoothie and cuts sweet heaviness. Next, immediately drop a banana into the blender. It gives body and natural sweetness. Add 1/4 cup simple syrup or 2 tablespoons honey so you can balance tartness later, then 1 cup ice and 1/2 cup yogurt or cold water. Once done, pulse twice to combine ingredients. This avoids splashing and starts emulsifying. You now focus on getting texture right. Start blending on low, then increase to high for about 30 to 45 seconds so ice and banana fully break down. Make sure to stop, scrape the sides, and reblend. Pockets of unblended fruit ruin mouthfeel. If it's too thick, add 1/4 cup water or a few ice cubes. If too thin, add more frozen banana or yogurt. Taste as you go because small adjustments of honey, salt, or lemon dramatically change balance. You finish by pouring the smoothie into a chilled glass and garnishing with a lemon wheel or mint sprig to signal freshness. Make sure to taste one final time. Small tweaks now matter. If serving later, chill 5 to 10 minutes and stir. Emulsion settles. If it tastes too sour, add 1 tablespoon honey or 1/4 cup mashed banana to soften acidity. If it's too thin, add 1/4 to 1/2 cup yogurt or more frozen banana and reblend. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.